Hi everyone! Organizing your leads to their sources is a great way to identify and improve your marketing strategy when it comes to lead generation. So today I will be walking you through the workflow of source management in the REW CRM. I'll run you through how to create new sources, organize your leads into these source groups, and an overview of the metrics our source view page offers. So let's get into it. Creating a new lead source is easy. Log into the REW CRM and head to the CRM page. Click on the My Setup menu on the bottom left corner of the screen. Within this modal, click on Sources. This will open up your Sources page, and any existing sources will be found here. To create a new source, click on the blue New Source button on the top right corner. On this page, add a source name, description, and a label color. Some examples of sources could be Google PPC, social media, referrals, or any other marketing platforms your business might be using. For this example, I'll use Google SEO. Type in a referrer for this source if applicable. In this case, mine will be google.com. This referrer section here is another way to categorize leads and triggers an automation in the CRM that links leads to the source upon initial registration. And finally, log your spend for this particular source. In this modal, you can choose a date range and add in the spend amount. Click on Log to add. Then save your source. Once that's done, you'll now be able to see your new source added to the Sources page. Now it's time to add leads to sources. Click on the CRM icon on the top left corner of the screen to head to the Leads homepage. The first quick and easy way to add multiple leads to a source is to select these boxes next to your favored leads. Click on the More button and hit Source. This will open up a flyout menu. Select one or multiple sources you wish to add these leads to. Then save your changes. It's that easy. On my Leads homepage, I have the Sources column added. This will give me a quick preview of the sources a lead has been added to. If a lead doesn't have a source, I can alternatively click on the plus sign to open up the source flyout. Another way to add or remove sources from a lead is through their lead details page. Select a lead. Click on the Edit button, and within this flyout, scroll down to Sources. Click on the X next to the sources you want to remove, or click on the box to add a source. And that's how you link leads to sources. Let's move on to our source view. Head to the Sources tab on the top of the screen. This is where you can track and monitor all your source metrics and budget, from your total spend, cost per lead, conversion rate, to your gross ROI. The layout of this page is similar to the Leads page, so you can customize your view columns, filter, and create smart lists for your sources in the same manner. In addition to this page are the report cards shown on the top of the screen. These cards will give you real-time statistics totals for your sources. These card totals will change depending on the sources you are currently viewing. So for example, I've set up some smart lists here on the left. If I select one of these, my cards will display the totals of the sources within this selected smart list. By the way, these report cards are totally customizable, so you can manage exactly what you want to view. To edit your cards, click on the Cards button, and within the drop-down, go to Manage Cards. Click the blue plus sign to create a new card deck. On the flyout menu, add your preferred cards. Hit Save. Then give your card a layout name. Click Save again to save your new card view. So now that you know how and where to find your lead source information, the final thing to mention is agent permissions. By default, only admins can view and manage sources. Enabling this for agents is simple. Click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of the screen and navigate to the company page. Then select an agent. Click on Agent Summary, and within the drop-down, go to Permissions. Expand the Source's Privileges section, and here you will be able to enable the following permissions to this particular agent. You can either allow them to view all sources, add and edit sources, or delete sources. Check the boxes you wish to permit. Finally, save your settings. And that's about it! Optimize your lead strategy by utilizing sources in the REW CRM. If you have any questions about source management, please reach out to us at rew.com or join the conversation on our forums page. Thanks for watching.